Most people panic when their Walmart credit card suddenly stops working. They assume the card is damaged or their account has been closed. Here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the problem can be identified and fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, you'll learn the most common reasons a Walmart credit card may not work in 2026 and the exact steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Stick around because one simple check near the end solves this problem for many cardholders. Let's get straight into it. If your Walmart credit card is being declined, the first thing to check is whether the transaction is being blocked due to a temporary security alert. Credit card issuers regularly monitor accounts for unusual activity. If you suddenly make a large purchase or shop in a new location, the transaction may be flagged automatically. For example, imagine Alex normally spends around $50 at Walmart. One day, he tries to make a $500 purchase. The system may request additional verification before approving the transaction. But here's the problem. Many people never check for security alerts. Look for emails, text messages, app notifications, or account messages requesting verification. Next, check your available credit. This sounds obvious, but it's one of the most common causes of declined transactions. Log into your account and confirm that you have enough available credit for the purchase you're trying to make. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the card itself is fine, but the payment terminal or online checkout system is having temporary issues. If you're shopping online, try refreshing the page, signing out and back in, or using another browser. If you are shopping in store, ask the cashier to retry the transaction or use a different payment terminal. This is where most people fail. They skip checking whether their card information is up to date. If your card has expired, been replaced, or recently renewed, make sure the correct card details are saved in any online accounts or digital wallets. In a minute, I'll show you a step many people overlook. If nothing has worked so far, review your account status carefully. Missed payments, account restrictions, identity verification requests, or account maintenance activities could affect card usage. Also, inspect the physical card. Damage to the chip, magnetic stripe, or card surface can cause payment failures even when the account is active. Finally, contact customer support directly through the official phone number listed on the back of your card or within your account portal. They can identify account-specific issues that aren't visible to you. To recap, check for security alerts, verify available credit, confirm your card information, inspect the card for damage, and review your account status. These steps solve most Walmart credit card issues quickly and safely. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Walmart tips and troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment sharing which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.